Now, this Friday, we're taking a closer look at how changes to the National 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline will impact young people in our area. Starting on July 17th, the National 988 line will disconnect the LGBTQ plus youth service line. The move comes from the Trump administration that says a 988 hotline will no longer, quote, silo those services so that it can focus on serving all help seekers. KTSM 9 News reporter Jesus Baltazar spoke with a local leader in the LGBTQ plus community. And Jesus, what are local advocates bracing for?
So I'm told this service line was especially vital for the LGBTQ plus youth in El Paso because of the already limited resources available to them in a city they say is very isolated from other major cities. The LGBTQ plus youth service line was established in 2022 as a sub-network service of the 988 Lifeline. LGBTQ plus youth experiencing a suicide or mental health crisis could receive an LGBTQ plus trained counselor by dialing 988 first and then pressing the number 3. This system was implemented due to LGBTQ plus communities being disproportionately at risk for suicide and other mental health struggles. And a local advocate worries there will not always be a crisis counselor on the other side of the line who truly understands the LGBTQ plus youth.
They are going to get matched with somebody perhaps that has absolutely no idea how to work with the LGBTQI plus youth, who may also have feelings that don't necessarily match up with the LGBT youth, right? So they're going to be calling these crisis lines, and they might end up on the phone with somebody who says, you know what, I am going to pray for you, but I don't believe in the life that you're living.
According to the Mental Health Services Administration, anyone, including the LGBTQ plus youth, who contact 988 will continue to receive access to, quote, skilled, caring, and culturally competent crisis counselors. I will have more on this story at 6, and later tonight at 10 p.m. I also speak with a licensed professional counselor who sheds light on the disproportionate mental health challenges that the LGBTQ plus youth face. For now, reporting for 9 News, Jesus Baltazar, back to you.
Okay, Jesus, thank you very much. And this sub-network service line was being funded with $33 million, all of which have been redirected and spent to support the sub-networks of the 988 Lifeline. The Trevor Project does offer a 24/7 crisis line specifically for LGBTQ plus young people under the age of 25. And you can reach them at 1-866-488-7386, and that number is on your screen.